Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are so excited because Ghana is back in the house. And joining us today is media personality King Lagazee.
Yep.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kente cloth and everything.
Lagazee, welcome. Good to see you, man. Respect. Yeah. All right, so when you think about who has been pushing the music and the culture of reggae and dancehall in Ghana, everybody know, especially the reggae people and Ghanaians know that it's King Lagazee.
For real.
For real.
For real.
So tell us when you fell in love with the music.
All right, so first and foremost, I would like to say big respect to the chairman, that is the GOD, the God himself, and also Asase Radio for, making this dream possible to come to Jamaica. Now, professionally, for the past 25 years, been pushing Jamaican reggae music, and also from like 2015, I started pushing this sound system culture vibe seriously. But the main thing started from a youthful, stage where, we used to argue in our area in CMB at Techem in Kufuridua, in the eastern part of Ghana. We used to argue about, artists like the Super Kia, the Ninja Man and all that. But my dad used to play a lot of Jimmy Cliff and Bob Marley and Peter Tosh at home. But at a point in time, he realized that, Lagazee was kind of falling for this reggae thing. And if I don't take care, he will go out of hand.
Yeah.
That is what he thought. So he was like, you need to grow up, study hard, and become a lawyer because we have a vast land. We want you to go defend it in court. You understand me? So
that's right.
that kind of mindset was with my father. But, I felt like reggae music was part of me, being a Rastafarian and also being a Bobo Shanti, wearing look for 6 years, walking barefooted and all that. At a point in time, fight broke up and I decided that, all right, take all the thing, man. And all that. So the reggae thing was part of me from the word go. And also how I got into radio was, there was this man who owns Radio Z, now Eastern FM, in Kufuridua. We were staying in the same area. And he used to, we have a particular point by name Bridge. Almost every evening, if you are a young teenager, you must be there. Because we all gather to argue. And there was this guy who come from, all the way from the UK that brought in some JVC cassettes and some magazines and all that. So I used to par with this man by name Steve Allen. So he showed me some, videos of Bass Adisi performing and all that. And I fell for that. So always he'll give me, and on the vinyls, they have the writings when the song was released and everything, the producers and all that. So he used to give me that. So anytime,
chance.
we have chance and we debating, you go like, I have this man, what do you have? I have that man. So the man was so surprised to have heard we, at a particular tender age, discussing about Super Cat and Ninja Man and Shabba and all that. I said, but wait, what are you guys doing? Do you know what you saying? And I was like, listen, when you give me the chance, I can prove it to you.
Right.
So he invited me to the radio station to come select for the then reggae presenter by name Bushman. You know what I mean? So me going into the room, seeing all these vinyls, going through the vinyls, the first song I took for him to play was Lick Samba from Bob Marley. So when the man started playing the song, the man go back and he was like, did you select the song? It was Lagazee. And it was Lagazee, the guest.
Oh, wow.
And he came to me and said,
wow.
How did you know that? You'll be a great person. And from that time to now,
everything just flourished.
History.
Lagazee, I feel like we're getting to know you,
of course,
which I love. But I kind of want to go in a little deeper. Like, tell us where in Ghana you're from. I think you said it, but I didn't quite. My ears never did hold on to it.
All right.
And what I see with your Kente cloth as well. What tribe are you from?
All right.
Or
with? All right. So in Ghana, I was born in Kufuridua. Kufuridua.
Kufuridua.
Yeah, Kufuridua.
what he said.
Yeah, and it's the eastern regional capital. You understand me? In an area called Kantudu.
Kantudu.
Yeah, Kantudu. It's predominantly like a Zongo area or a Muslim area. You understand me? So you have to be tough among your peers.
So hold on. No, like how you talk about tough.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I would know saying the sound system thing. I would know saying the sound clash thing.
Definitely.
Tell us how you got the name King Lagazee and about being the first sound system operator in Ghana.
All right, so the main thing is the name King Lagazee came. They used to call me Holy Sinner.
Holy Sinner?
Yeah, Holy Sinner.
I love that. It's a contradiction. I love it.
But now in Koforidua, anything you need, they will tell you go to Lagazee.
See.
Oh, wow.
At that tender age, anything you need.
Yeah.
That's a proper Jamaican, you know. Listen about this, about this.
Yeah, anything you need. They will say, go
Lagazee.
contact Holy Sinner. So when Steve Arlen came, he came with a man from the Nyanza province. And he was like, anything you need? Yo, Lagazee, you serious, man. So he named me Lagazee, means a rich man. Yeah, because he felt like I have everything around me and all that, you know. So at the point in time, it was a Ras, and then we put the Ras aside and we pick up the kingship title,
Kingship.
you know.
So I know that
King
you
Lagazee.
have a radio show, King Lagazee, Holy Sinner. Tell us a little bit about your radio show, because it's quite popular.
All right. So I'm on Asasi Radio, the voice of our land, and my show is syndicated on 4 radio stations across Ghana.
Wow.
99.5 in Accra, 98.5 in Kumasi, 100.3 in Cape Coast, and 99.7 in the northern region, Tamale.
Aye.
You know, and basically it's a nationwide show. So this is the biggest reggae dancehall show in Ghana, without a doubt. And over 30 million people listen to the show. You know what I mean? And it's on Asasi Radio. And I would like to say big respect to the God himself, you know, the GOD,
the GOD.
for calling me to say, yo, Lagazee, I know you can do this. Come fix this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Excellent. All right, so aside from Stoneboy and Shatta Wale, educate us on the other reggae dancehall acts coming out of Ghana and who to look for.
Yo, we have a lot of artists. You know, we have the likes of Black.
We only have a minute left, so we need like, give us 3.
All right, so we have a lot of artists like the like of Black Rasta, Kojo Kombolo, Osaji for the Simple Entertainer, Dr. Neil Ante, Kankara, Javibes, Raskuku.
All right,
you know,
all right. So I guess what you're saying is that there's enough I call.
Enough artists.
And I love that. But quickly, because I think this is really important, why do you think that it's so relevant and important for Jamaicans to go home to Ghana?
Yo,
2 seconds.
Listen, the great Peter Tosh said, no matter where you come from, as long as you're a black man, you're African. So it is important for you to come home to know your roots. You know what I mean? Yeah,
right.
man, it is important.
That is it right
for
there.
you to come home to know your roots.
All right, General. So, all right, King. So where can we find you on social media?
King Lagazee on Instagram, on Facebook, and on Twitter. And remember, I won at the Original Dancer, Thursdays. There was a clash and I won.
Yeah.
First time being in Jamaica and first time clashing. And I think, I give thanks to Jamaica. Of course.
Sir. Thank you so much for joining us on the show. We had so much fun. And we can tell you host the show, because listen. Please remember to check on your loved ones and support each other as a community. We love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to our audience.
Big up.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll be back on tomorrow with much more buzz, vibe, and games.